It's very easy to put Acopian BirdSavers on a window. This is what the BirdSavers look like when you take them out of the mailing package. This orange piece of tape will be used as a marker to show where to mount the Velcro mounting tab after the adhesive is exposed. Stretch the BirdSavers out fully. Then position the BirdSavers on the window. After they are in a good position, mark one end with a piece of tape, in this case orange tape. Step away from the window and stretch out the BirdSavers so the cords look nice and are ready to be attached to the window. Then take off the small pieces of material to expose the adhesive on both aluminum Velcro end tabs. Try not to touch the adhesive, even if it means temporarily littering. Then stretch out the BirdSavers just like before, but don't press on the end tabs to attach them until they are in the correct position. Use tape as a reference. Here he's using the orange tape as a reference. Once the ends are attached, then the small middle tabs can be attached. Press each tab firmly so the adhesive adheres well. And if for any reason you want to remove the BirdSavers, it's very easy. And easy to put back. This demonstration has shown BirdSavers with the aluminum Velcro tabs mounting option. These are very quick to install, but the Velcro on the aluminum tabs won't last forever. Therefore, we prefer the screws and clamps mounting choice, which does take a little longer to install, but the advantage of using screws and clamps for mounting is that you will never need to replace the Velcro if or when the Velcro adhesive fails.